Well, it's been a long time. I've been on a bit of a sabbatical with the kitchen. There I am. Oop. Let's not get a let's not do the close-up thing. Anyway, like I was saying, I've been on a sabbatical. That's why I like having a beard. It hides the jowls. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Anyway, like I said, I've been on a sabbatical with this kitchen. Just have not had the energy, the desire, the need, the want, whatever. Floor's been, the entire subfloor has been replaced. All the joists and the rim joists from here over have been completely replaced. This is an entirely new floor. The joists around the door to the basement and the pantry here over the creepy basement. These joists were incredibly strong and pretty much dead flat. Here's my temporary cooking area. There's a little bit of an area down here that it's coming down a little bit, and from over there it's coming down a little bit. This whole corner of this staircase. There you go. This whole corner. Hold on. Shut this damn TV off. Anyway, like I was saying, this whole corner, they cut some stuff down below to access whatever. I don't know what they did, but this whole area is sinking down a little bit. So I'm just gonna boost this back up, but not right now. I'm more concentrated on getting the self-leveling here down. From here, it's gonna be a two-part process because this is a working kitchen. So from here over, this is all gonna be stage 2. And everywhere the cabinets are going, there's going to be cabinets on either side of the fridge and above at a later date. But for right now, this whole area here over the whole kitchen area is going to be self-leveled in one shot. And then we start the tiling. Whew. I did do the ceiling in the past month or so. There's a little spot that's driving my wife absolutely batshit crazy. I'll fix that today. But American tin ceiling, whitewashed copper. I'm not even going to get into how much that cost. That was ridiculous, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to get a different fixture. That's actually a bathroom fixture. That came out of a 1928 Tudor in Bronxville, New York. But I took the swinging door off because the floor, it's kind of sagging right there, so I'm gonna prop this up, shim underneath it just to get it straight, and put the door back on. But the door does need work. The hinge, it's squeaky, grindy, rusty, so I'm gonna clean it up. It's ridiculously simple, so simple. I doubt a Butler door today has anything near this simplistic on it. Ball bearings are still shiny and good shape. Everything's good. Just going to give it a good cleaning. Oil it up. Where it's mounted, there were 2 holes down here. One screw wasn't in all the way. This screw was tight. There's only 1 screw there. There's nothing to do with that. The door is getting stripped and finished. Here's the pivot point. I knew it was broken. It's been like that for a while. This whole piece, you can hear it. It's broken. I could probably pull this right off, but I'm not. I'm gonna clean it, open it up a little bit, get some glue in there, and clamp it for a day or two, and take this pivot point out, which is, let me get some light on the situation. This pivot point, what's in there? Nothing. It's completely loose. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna have to fix that and set it right. And I'll paint the top. I don't know why they didn't paint the tops or bottoms of the doors back then. I mean, this is the one way moisture is going to get in and warp a door. Thank God this door is not warp a door. That sounds funny. Yeah, so I'm going to paint all that, prime it up, and refinish this whole thing. And we're going to get copper push plates to push the door in and out. That's going to match our copper ceiling and our pot filler that's going to go over the stove. It's right around here somewhere. All right, that's the update. That was longer than I thought.